Hello guys, welcome to our booth. My name is Jessica from Shenzhen Cosun Smart Tech. Today, we joined to the InfoComm in 2026. I would like to share our digital models. This one is a best-selling product in our company. It's a totally customizable design from the outer case, the high-quality stainless steel made it in this colder pot green color, and this screen is made high quality LCD display. We made this totally fully equipped with the customizable design. From the customizable design to this manufacturing, our factory can offer you this customizable functions, and you can just see this screen is a touch screen. You can just put your idea, your design to these digital models. We can support you and supply our digital models to any to tell to your specific requirement. Actually, this one, the outer part is made of the UV printed design, and the outer part is made of the LED strips. You can check if you are interested to our digital models. You can check on our website, www.consin.com. Thank you.